You know, he's going on the stringer. That's why he's fighting. He's like, I don't want to be dinner. I want to eat dinner. Yeah, come this way for me, why don't you? I actually wanted you to come down this way. My net's closer down here. Now he's all tangled up, got him hog-tied. Oh wait, did he get undone? Yeah, he got undone. Yeah, that's not too bad right there. I think so. If it was a blue, it would be surprising for this little pond, lake. Woo! Carps and cats, boys and girls.
Yeah, something wrong with that. Wow.